You know, in life, sometimes this is us, and like times will try to test us and make us fall. And sometimes we'll be looking at these other people thinking they look good, they look dressed in nice garments, and we want to be them. But notice they're not even standing strong. And how do we resist the devil? It says here, resist the devil and he will flee. It says the God of peace will soon crush Satan under your feet. It's not the things we say, it's not the words we think and thinking we can bind and have some power over the enemy. Only the God of peace will soon crush. But how do we resist the devil? We stay close to the word. We stay sober-minded. It says here, stay sober-minded, remain vigilant. In 1 Peter, be alert and sober-minded. When the enemy tries to rock us away, we have to be intentionally resist. Go back again. Go back, staying close to the word, staying close to Jesus. Resist. The enemy's trying to rock you away. Resist. Yes, the enemy is spiritual warfare. We've got armor, but that's not about fighting in some spiritual realms. We wage against the war of sin. The enemy wants us to sin, so we resist. We go back intentionally, going back, staying close to the word, When he's trying to move us, we resist. Keep going back. That's the way we resist the devil. Remember, not about us having some power. It says the God of peace will soon crush Satan. The God of peace will do it. So how do we do that? Staying vigilant, staying sober-minded. This is how we stay close to the word.